Hey guys, Kevin Moses here, your certified strength and conditioning specialist. Want to do a lot of people ask foam rolling for lower back issues. Now, I recommend never roll your lower back with this big roller. There's not a lot of muscle on your lower back, so there shouldn't be any kind of releasing done for your lower back. What you can do is do everything around your lower back. If anywhere is tight, like say for glutes for instance, you want to sit and then you're going all on that glute. Again, you're opening up that leg that is crossed. That is the glute you're putting your focus on and trying to find where those areas are. Now the IT band, which is in my previous video, also can help with that lower back. But there could be multiple reasons for lower back pain. Just do not put a roller on your lower back. Release those glutes. Again, trying to find that sensitive area. Let it sit again when you find that trigger point for 30 seconds plus. One good tip, drink a lot of water after you're done with foam rolling. This is just like massage and you're releasing toxins. And if you do this for a long period of time, you can actually feel a little bit sick the next day because of those toxins. So flush them out, lots of water. Another good one for that lower back is a hip flexor, which is right here. So go on the corner, right in the corner there. Kind of go back and forth trying to find that area. Again, I've been doing this so long that I actually get a hard medicine ball and do my hip flexor. Because it's hard to get in there with that foam roller, especially since if you've been doing it a while. I mean, this medicine ball definitely hurts in a good way. Definitely hurts in a good way. I want to make that apparent. But those are two good ones. The glutes and the hip flexor. Also, let's show you a little hamstring, because tight hamstrings and calves can also be a factor. So you're going back and forth. Go back and forth on that hamstring. Now, if you need some stretches, let me know. But these foam rolling exercises are awesome. And you would go into your calf as well, support it, go back and forth. Those are 4 awesome releases for myofascial exercises for the glutes, hip flexor, hamstrings, and calves. Great for supporting that lower back. If it still hurts after some therapy on doing that after a couple weeks, there might be other issues that you need to talk with your doctor, a chiropractor, or whoever, your health practitioner. So again, Kevin Moses at Pure Motion Fitness. Wish you all the best on your journey. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.